Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. Ansys Workbench for Mechanical Engineers. We offer a comprehensive training program to help you master Ansys Workbench for mechanical engineering applications. We provide training in Ansys Workbench for mechanical engineers in certificate, diploma, master diploma and PG diploma courses. Our programs cover all aspects of Ansys, equipping you with the skills essential for precise structural analysis, mechanical simulations, and other applications crucial for mechanical engineering projects. Here are the key features you'll explore in our courses. Structural analysis, simulations. Finite element stress analysis. Dynamic simulation, vibration analysis. Thermal management, heat transfer. Multiphysics simulations. Collaborative workflows, project management. Enroll in the Ansys Workbench for Mechanical Engineering course of your choice today and harness the full potential of this robust simulation and analysis software. For more information and to enroll in our courses, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.